The bandsaw might not look like much, but it's actually one of the most important cutting tools every woodworker and metalworker or fabricator should have in a workshop. There are many products available to choose bandsaws, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bandsaws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dual DCS 374B cordless portable bandsaw. Not all bandsaws are big and bulky. Some are small and portable, and sometimes can even go head to head with the big guys on the job site. Any of such as the Dual DCS 374B. When I say go head to head, I didn't mean cutting the same materials. No, most portable bandsaws like this Dual DCS 374B are specifically designed for cutting metal or steel, like rebar, angle iron, pipes, square and rectangular tubing, and double strut on the job. In fact, with its 5-inch cut capacity, the Dual DCS 374B is capable of cutting SCH40 pipes up to 4 inches with ease. It comes with every feature you need to take your. Number 2. Grizzly Industrial G0555 14-inch bandsaw. If you need a top-quality industrial-grade bandsaw for use in your workshop, Grizzly produces some of the best ones. This particular model is the Grizzly G0555. It's a 14-inch wheel bandsaw with a lot of capacity and quality to help you carry out the top jobs that can and should be done on a bandsaw. The frame and table is made of precision ground cast iron to provide a steady work surface with minimum vibration. Aiding that is a heavy-duty cast stand and cast aluminum wheels with rubber tires for easy movement of the blade. It comes equipped with a quick-release blade tension lever to remove or add tension to the blade. Overall, the Grizzly G0555 comes equipped with all the features you'd need in a bandsaw. Number 3. Jet JWBS 14SFX 14-inch bandsaw. Talking about bandsaws, some of the best ones are made by Jet. Run some wood stocks through this Jet JWBS 14SFX 14-inch bandsaw, and you'd surely agree with us. Weighing over 300 pounds, this bandsaw is a heavy-duty machine designed and constructed with high-quality tubular steel. The 14-inch wheels provides enough leverage and power to saw through even the hardest of woods, and with over 13 inches of resaw capacity, you can be sure that it can handle large workpieces conveniently. You need no tools to adjust the upper and lower ball bearings. The saw comes equipped with Jet's easily adjustable tool-less blade guide system, which makes it easier to use, and ensuring there's very little downtime. This saw has the capacity to. Number 4. Koch Industrial BS912B horizontal bandsaw. As a metal fabricator, having a dedicated metal cutting bandsaw in the workshop is quite necessary. It will make your job easier, because you can just clamp the metal piece or steel on the bandsaw, switch it on, and allow it do all the cutting by itself without you lifting a finger. Once the cut is complete, an automatic electric cutout switch stops the machine and the blade from running continuously, so you don't have to worry about turning it off by yourself. I should recommend a few to choose from. This Koch Industrial BS912B horizontal bandsaw will definitely make the list. It makes both straight 90-degree cuts and bevel miter cuts up to 45 degrees, which makes it a very versatile piece of equipment. The Koch BS912 features a built-in coolant system on both blade guides and a flow control valve to help the machine cut efficiently and safely without the blade overheating. It comes equipped with a 2 HP motor, pre-wired to work at 1 phase, but you can rewire it to work at 3 phases if that's what you're okay with. Number 5. Powermatic PM1500 bandsaw. Although relatively more expensive than the competition, their 15-inch bandsaw comes packed with features that makes it worth the while. In contrast with other 15-inch bandsaws, this Powermatic PM1500 features a 14.5-inch throat, 14 inches of resaw capacity. It makes use of blades with a length of 153 inches and a minimum and maximum blade width of 1/8 inches and 1 inch, respectively. The bandsaw features a sturdy cast iron table with dimensions of 21.5 by 16 inches, and a trunnion assembly provides a wide, strong and solid platform for heavy workpieces. Easy blade tension and release mechanism comes with an electrical interlock feature that prevents the bandsaw from accidental startups when the blade is released or detention. Powermatic's exclusive T-square style ACU fence system ensures maximum accuracy and safety when making use of the bandsaw machine. The upper and lower 15-inch wheels are made of solid cast iron, which helps create momentum needed for heavy-duty resawing projects. If you need to stop the saw in case of an emergency, That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier.